Hi guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use the Google Gemini when your phone is locked. So to be able to do that, you need to activate the feature first. So let's open the Gemini apps, and after it's open, you can just head to the settings of the Google Gemini, click on your photo and go to the settings. And here, click on this Google Assistant features in Gemini. And under it, you can just scroll down and you'll find this Google Assistant on lock screen feature or settings, so you can get help with quick voice actions powered by Google Assistant when your device is locked. So let's click on this. So you need to make sure that this feature is on so you can use the Google Assistant features in Gemini without unlocking your device. So you can get helps with quick voice when your device is locked, like routines. You can just say hey Google, so Gemini can recognize you with the voice match. And for hands-free help from Gemini, you need to also turn on the hey Google and voice match. So after this, you can just go back and it will be safe, and make sure that you don't forget to set the hey Google and also the voice match. And that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.